In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix McDonald's app spinning wheel on payment screen. Let's get started. Start by force closing the McDonald's app and reopening it. If it still spins, restart a phone to reset background connection glitches. Many payment loading issues are just temporary session errors. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data because weak or unstable network can stop the payment screen from loading properly. If that does not work, disable VPNs, ad blockers, or private DNS settings. These can interfere with McDonald's payment verification system and cause the spinning wheel bug. Next, update the app. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app McDonald's. If you see the option update, click on it. If you're still having the issue, try switching payment methods. Launch McDonald's app, navigate to More page. Click on the option Profile, click on Payment Methods. Sometimes one method gets stuck while other works instantly, so switch between payment method. Finally, if nothing works, it could be a temporary McDonald's server issue. In that case, you can check the server status, launch your preferred browser, type in McDonald's server status, navigate to the very first one website. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. Follow these steps and spinning wheel on the payment screen should finally stop and let you complete your order. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.